Hey, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. As always, it is Nick here, back with your daily crypto news and analysis. And today we are going to be talking about Ripple and XRP, as well as the vast majority of crypto and finance. And with that being said, I hope that you are all having a beautiful day or a beautiful night wherever you guys are out there in the world. So, we got the major price swing on the ETFs. We wicked all the way up to about roughly almost 48K or something like that. And now we are trading at about roughly 42.7K. We lost 42K for a little bit of time there, but for the most part, we have held up, which is a pretty big thing for us to really watch, right? Losing $42,000 will be a big, crucial area. But for the time being, as we really look at this space, there is manipulation at the highest degree flowing around. Mainstream media, post all over X, social media is booming with manipulation, feeding into the emotions of those that are impulsively buying and selling in this market. You know, one thing that I would love to know from everyone out there in crypto right now, how are you feeling? Because if you are mentioning that you are feeling anything other than completely calm, ice cold, you are acting with emotions. I see it. I see it all the time. You know, one thing about creating content in this space that you can see is the sentiment. I notice it. I get comments all the time. I read the comment section. With XRP, it's very clear, right? Everyone is frustrated. They're done with XRP. They're over it. And that's fine. I'm not here to sell you guys on XRP. I don't care if you buy or hold XRP. I don't care. Listen, there's a million coins in this space that you could be picking and, buying. XRP, in my opinion, is a crucial staple in my portfolio because I believe in the long-term span here. I mean, hell, think about what happened in just the last week alone. We had the largest traditional financial giants launching a Bitcoin crypto service. This is a tradable product around crypto, Bitcoin. Think about that. That is absolutely insane. Now, as we look at XRP, where is the value here? Where is the actual value in XRP? Oh yeah, that's right. Ripple, a company, is utilizing XRP to help traditional institutions, major banks, etc., usher into the digital age of payments. Yet we have people here bearish on XRP simply because of its performance and the price action of it. While we are stepping right now into the future. We are now witnessing the largest players, BlackRock, diving headfirst into crypto. And remember, they have been in for a while, but now they are launching actual products. This has always been the plan, by the way. But now, if you are bearish on XRP, I strongly believe that you are bearish on XRP at one of the worst times to be bearish. Because think about it. We already got clarity in court, and also, guess what? Major expansion, major growth. It is all continuing behind the scenes. I don't care if you buy or sell XRP. If you're being frustrated with XRP, it doesn't matter to me. I don't care. I already did the research. I understand what XRP is. I know what XRP will become, and I understand what Ripple is doing, and this is why I know that they will also succeed. So at a time right now, while everyone is looking at Bitcoin, while it's up 176% since its lows back in November of 2022, and it's down 12%, almost 13%, even if we go all the way down to this candle wick on the weekly, it was down 15%, and everyone's panicking. I want you all to understand that this is all a part of the game. I mentioned this to you all in the past, right? When we really look at this market, it will try to shake you out constantly. In fact, here's a chart that got posted on X. I seen it today. Look at this. Just a little reminder. Bitcoin. Here is 2016 all the way to around roughly 2018. You had major pullbacks along the way. And even if we go all the way back to 2020 into 2021, look at this. I mean, here's the start. Here's COVID, right? This is the March 2020 drop during the pandemic. We had a nice little run up, nice little pullback, 15.9%, right around where we are at now. We had another little run up, again, another pullback, 22%, another run up, massive run up here. And this candle wick here to the top, to the bottom here, was about a 16% pullback. Then we have a massive rally. And we break over resistance. We didn't get a weekly candle close over it, so we reject it. Boom. 30, almost 2%, 31.33%. Then we have another massive rally to the top. Again, another 26% pullback. This is what this market will do. It's psychological warfare. And guess what? The deepest pullback that we witnessed during that bull run was May. In May, we ran all the way up to about roughly $65,000 almost, and we had a near 56% pullback. After that, we ran to the all-time high. When we are talking about where we are at now, don't get shaken out by volatility in this market. This is Bitcoin. XRP is going to experience major sell-offs. Right now, as we really look at XRP, I'm pretty sure everyone knows that XRP has been underperforming. It has. But guess what? XRP always does leading into the bull run. And then during the last little section, it completely takes the market by storm. XRP usually runs last. It missed the bull run of 2021. I strongly believe XRP won't miss this bull run, and it will make up for that 2021 missed bull run. But let's look at a few things, because during this entire week that it's coming to an end almost, we witnessed manipulation at the highest degree. Standard Charter says Bitcoin could see $50 to $100 billion in spot ETF inflows upon approval in 2024. They also mentioned a $200,000 Bitcoin with these ETFs. Outside of this, and I even mentioned this, the SEC, their Twitter account compromised. Gary Gensler coming out about it. This is all manipulation, I said. Beyond this, CNBC talking about a $1 million Bitcoin. This was all during this week, by the way. It was sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy. Nobody knew what the hell to do. And I even said this entire time, make sure to have stop losses in place. I'm not even playing leverage at this point. There's no point in me playing leverage. We could easily make a ton of money off of spot buying. But I also mentioned stablecoins on the sidelines. And I witnessed a lot of comments asking me, what does stablecoins on the sidelines mean? This is parking capital on the sidelines, ready to buy major pullbacks like the one we just saw. And your long-term positions locked in. They are leading the sheep to slaughter. And again, now that we witnessed major pullbacks throughout the entire altcoin market, I mean, hell, look at some of the dips that we just witnessed on some of these great opportunities in this market. I mean, Algorand is still under 20 cents, guys. Think about that. You have Casper, HBAR, incredible opportunities in this market, still at significant levels. Look at the 7-day. There's double-digit down figures on a lot of great opportunities in this market. This is why we park some stablecoins on the sidelines just in case for major buying opportunities. But also outside of this, right? Jim Cramer. I think Bitcoin's topping out, by the way. This was January 8th. I don't need to play the clip for you guys. You already know this clip. He mentioned this on January 8th. Guess what? On January 10th, he also mentioned this. Normally, you would expect a top in Bitcoin on a sell the news situation. I'm not even sure that happens. This was January 10th, by the way. Guess what? Since January 10th, and we can go all the way back. Let's go to the daily spend real quick. Let's go back to January 10th. So here is January 10th. Now, we had a nice wick all the way up to about $40, almost $9,000 on Bitcoin. Since he mentioned that, we were down 15.38%. Now, to me personally, it looks as though Bitcoin is bottomed here. We have to wait and see confirmation, but I would like for us to hold above $42,000. We had a nice wick, but remember, candle closes are the crucial thing. We could wick below support, but close above it. That's what you need to watch for. But outside of this, right, I also want to mention what we witnessed from Jamie Dimon, right? Jamie Dimon says Bitcoin doesn't have value. This was also on January 10th. Guess what we just witnessed today after the sell-off? Larry Fink saying Bitcoin has a tremendous amounts of value. There's a ton of use cases there. We are seeing manipulation at the highest degree. And remember, there's a lot of lagging factors in this market, and that is bullish and bearish. But also, January 12th, just, earlier, checking in with Larry Williams, major top in Bitcoin. Major. This was at 9:14 a.m., January 12th. And remember, you can't follow indicators just like Jim Cramer, because we have the comments here. In just the last week, he changed his mind 4 different times. It's all manipulation. You honestly think that these people like Jim Cramer and even mainstream media are not aware that the retail sector knows about the Jim Cramer effect? They know. That's why they play you. They're playing you constantly. But then also, no 40 Act protection. Now also, it's great because we've seen Preston respond back to this. Now there's a lot to this. If you guys want to go read it, you can go and read the full thing regarding this. It's a great in-depth view on just how big of a scumbag Jim Cramer actually is, because he is. If you go back in time and look at the history of Jim Cramer, it's insane that they actually let him host Mad Money, but guess what? That's all by plan. They want to ruin the retail sector. Listen closely to this clip. It's about 1 minute and 38 seconds long. So, again, this is what is going on, right? And remember, this is an old clip, right? They don't want to protect anyone. They're not trying to protect anyone. We even see here, that clown is not just a bad actor, but a horrible human being, because he knows exactly what he's doing and enjoys this parasitic activity. It's time to say the quiet part out loud. And again, they're not trying to protect anyone. They're protecting their own. They're protecting the bankers. They're protecting the ones that are actually investing a ton of their money, hurting the retail sector. And again, it goes all the way back to what I've mentioned around previous cycles. Even outside of crypto, right? Jamie Dimon. Let's go back to the Jamie Dimon post that was over here, right? Bitcoin doesn't have any value. Jamie Dimon and JP Morgan have manipulated metals markets. They've manipulated forex markets for years. We're talking well over a decade plus. What makes you think that they don't manipulate crypto markets? And they do, by the way. We have proof of this. We know that they do. All of the big players do. This is how they make money off of the retail sector. They've been making money off of the retail sector in crypto for so long. Because with this market on tight liquidity, with major volatility, it's very easy to cause major price swings. This is why you need to be careful out there. And for everyone out there that is getting upset with the price action on altcoins and, XRP is barely moving. I want you all to realize that there's a million opportunities out there. Diversification is so damn crucial. But also, take this as an opportunity. Don't look at it as a negative and a bad thing. I always say this because, listen, XRP will be trading over $1. XRP will have a major bull run, just like all other altcoins. It's history, its patterns. But also outside of all of that, the number one thing to know in this space is we're still extremely early in the long-term span. Everyone is always questioning and talking about how, oh, if Ripple is doing all of this with cross-border payments, if XRP is doing all of this with cross-border payments, if XRP is doing this, understand that all of this stuff that we talk about, the fourth industrial revolution, instant settlement, big banks looking to launch products, it's still a ways out. But it's all happening. Steps are being taken. The ETFs, that's just a step for the next product to launch by BlackRock and all these big institutions. It's all aligning perfectly. And XRP is perfectly positioned, and I mentioned this a million times. But with that being said, if you guys do want to go check out NordVPN, down in the description below, as well as in the comments below, you guys are more than welcome to. 63% off right now for a limited time only. $8.29 a month originally, now it's $3.99 a month utilizing my link. And I did recently change from ExpressVPN over to NordVPN due to all of the incredible other benefits that do come with NordVPN. You can never be too secure. You can never be too safe within this space. And also NordPass as well. You guys can save on NordPass, which is a password manager. And this does offer a ton of benefits as well. Again, you can never be too secure. So go check both of these links out down in the description below, as well as in the comments below. And again, this is a huge deal right now that they are running. So definitely go check it out. So with that being said, guys, if you guys did enjoy the video, definitely leave a like, subscribe to notifications on because more free content. You guys are more than welcome to follow me on Twitter and join the free Discord in the description below. And with that being said, guys, this has been Nick. Peace out.